In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account step by step. If you've ever wanted the versatility of managing multiple email addresses without the hassle of logging in and out of different accounts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process of setting up Gmail so you can send and receive emails from different addresses while staying in one inbox. Let's dive in and make email management a breeze. To start, you can actually send emails from another address while using just one Gmail inbox. This is perfect if you have a business email or another Gmail address that you use frequently. Your first step is to navigate to the settings, which you can do by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Gmail window. Once there, click on See All Settings to access the full menu. Next, you'll want to go to the Accounts and Import tab. Here's where the magic happens. Under the section labeled Send Mail As, there's an option to add another email address. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your second email address. This could be a business email address or even another personal Gmail account. After entering the email address, the next crucial step is verifying ownership. Gmail will send a verification code or a link to the email address you've just added. So make sure you have access to that account. Check your inbox for the verification message and follow the instructions provided to verify that you own the email. Once this step is complete, you're almost there. Now that the email address is verified, whenever you compose a new email, you'll notice a From drop-down menu in the email composition window. This allows you to choose which email address you'd like the message to come from. It's as simple as selecting the desired address from that menu. Moreover, if you would also like to check mail from another Gmail account within your main inbox, head back to that Accounts and Import tab in your settings. Look for the option called Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on Add a Mail Account. This feature enables you to have a comprehensive view and access to emails from multiple accounts without jumping through hoops. By consolidating your email management, you empower yourself to handle personal and professional correspondence efficiently. It's amazing how adding or linking another email address can transform how you use Gmail, helping maintain productivity across different ventures or projects. And there you have it. With these steps, you've opened up a world of streamlined communication possibilities right from your Gmail account. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy emailing.